Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you how to create traffic light chart in Excel using simple conditional formatting and if conditions. So let's see how does this work. Here I have given the measurements, that is a minimum and maximum, and between these percentages, so what should be the traffic light signal. So between 0 to 40% I marked it as red color, 40% and above till 75% I made it as amber, and anything greater than 75% and less than or equal to 100% I made it as green color, depending on the result which we give it here. So the traffic signal light should automatically appear the way we want it. Okay, so now how to insert a traffic signal, and even before that, how do we create the lights for the traffic signal? Okay, so we need to create the conditional formatting using these conditions. Okay, right? So let us take three here. One, two, three. Let me take three boxes here for three lights. I just reduce this. So let me mark the first one as red. So how do I use conditional formatting here? So first one is red. So I'll go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. I click on this. Okay. Now, what is the formula here? When I want the red color to be here, appearing here. So what I do is equal to, and this particular C8 is greater than equal to 0%, and the same C8 is less than or equal to 40%. Okay, I close the bracket. So this is my condition. If this is true, then what should happen? Then I click here. I go to conditional formatting. I make it as bold, font as red, and at the same time the background is also red. So click OK. See, now it's nothing. So let me give it like 40%. Let's say 41%, and it doesn't appear. Okay, if anything is between 0% to 40%, I get the red light here. Okay, correct, and otherwise it will be blank. Same way, I go to the amber one, click on conditional formatting, click on new rule, use a formula to determine. Here again use is equal to and function. If C8 $C$8 is greater than 40% and $C8 is less than or equal to 75%. If the result is between 40 greater than 40% and less than or equal to 75%, then I need amber. So I fill the color, background color with amber. At the same time, I also choose the font color as amber color so that we don't recognize the numbers being displayed there. Okay, so click OK here. So see, now we are at the amber. So if the moment I change this to 76%, then the amber light goes off, and if I switch back to, let's say, 40%, then the only red light will come up here. Okay, so now we have designed two lights. One is red light, another one is a amber light. Now we'll do the same thing for even green light. Okay, so I'm clicking here on the green light, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule. Here again give a formula is equal to and, open the bracket. The result is $C$8 is greater than 75%, and the result is less than or equal to 100%. Okay, if this is the case, then I wanted the green light to come up. So fill color is green background, and font color again I give it green color so that we don't recognize the numbers being displayed there. So now where are we? So we are at 40%, so we are in the red light. So the moment I change this to 41%, the amber light comes up, and the moment I change this to anything greater than 75%, see, 75% is still amber, let's say 76%, then the green light comes up. So now we have designed the three lights coming up here, right? Okay, so I'll go to insert, click on icons. In this, I search for traffic. Okay, see, I get the signal, so I just click on this. Okay, now, okay, sorry, let me mark this till the time we design the traffic lights. See now what happens. See, we have to adjust this to match the size of the cells, right? Okay, see now let's adjust this to the size of the cells. We don't see borders anymore. Now our traffic signal light is done. Now let's change the numbers here. So let's say I'll give 40%, the red light comes up, 41%, amber light comes up, and anything beyond 70%, the green light comes up. Hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like and share it. Thank you so much. With much more interesting videos, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.